Emma and I'm going to show you how to set up your Cricut Maker machine. So this is the machine. You're going to take it out of the box, and with the machine you're going to get your two mats here. You're going to get your pink fabric mat, which looks like this, and you're going to get your blue light grip mat, which looks like this. Then you're also going to get a black pen and your all-important rotary blade. Then you're going to open the machine by just lifting up your rose gold cover like so and let it do its magic. And here we go. Now we can see inside the machine, and you can see your other blade is positioned here in the housing, ready to go. So now I'm going to grab the plug, ready to plug it in. So you will have plugged in the other end into your power socket, and then take this small silver end and pop it into the back of your machine to plug it in. Then we're going to press the power on button right here, and the machine will start to come to life. What we need to do now is head over to your computer to set up the machine. So you're going to head to Cricut Design Space on the internet, where you can download the software and you'll find your own account. Then you're going to head up here and click New Machine Setup. When you click that, you will be led through this section. So click Get Started. And what we're going to do now is connect our machine to the computer via the USB cable. So I've grabbed the cable and I'm going to pop this end into the machine, just at the back next to the power cable, and then this USB into the USB port on my computer, like so. Once you've done that, click Continue and select the Cricut device that you've just plugged in. So I'm going to select the Cricut Maker, and the machine is now going to update your firmware and make sure that it's got the latest software downloaded onto the machine. Now it's going to lead you through a little easy project to get you started. So this one's a simple card. It's going to just show you how to do everything step by step. So if you want to do that, you can click Continue and be headed through a nice easy project to get you going. Like I said, the machine will step you through your first project so that you can make something straight away out of the box with your machine. But here are a few extra tips and tricks for changing the blades and for how to use your mats and pens. So these are the two mats that you get with your machine. The first one is the standard light grip blue mat. Now this is the mat that we would use for paper, vinyl, card, anything that needs a light grip but you don't want to be too stuck down to your mat, because remember, these mats are sticky. Now it's really important that you keep this plastic cover on top of them at all times when you're not using them, so that you keep them dust free and they last a lot longer. So this is your pink mat. This is the fabric mat that you're going to use with the rotary blade. Now this is a special mat because it has self-healing properties, so it's perfect for cutting all fabric with the rotary blade. Again, it's got that plastic covering on there. Don't throw this away. Make sure you keep it on your mat when you're storing it so that it stays sticky for longer. Now to load these mats into the machine, what you're going to do is take off this plastic cover, peel it back and place it to the side. Now you're going to pop your material on top. I've just got a piece of paper here, and you're going to line it up, pop it down onto the mat and make sure it's nice and smooth, like so. Now we can load it into the machine. So we're going to just pop it in the front here, and you need to make sure that the mat goes underneath these two white markers at both sides. When you've done that, press the arrow and it will feed into the machine, ready to go. To unload, you click that arrow again, and then this is the best trick I've got for looking after your mat and the material on them. Always peel your mat away from the material, not the other way around. So place your mat face down onto the table and peel backwards. That way you won't roll your paper or any material you've got on the mat, and you'll come away with a nice clean mat as well. Next up, I'm going to show you how to pop your different blades into the machine. Now the Maker is special because it has this adaptive blade system, which means different blades, like the rotary blade, fit inside it. So to change the blade for different projects, so if you're doing a fabric project or a paper project, you're going to need a different blade. So all you need to do is open the blade housing, which has a B on it, B for blade. Open that up, it'll just unclip. Take out your standard blade like so. Take your rotary blade, pop it in there, and make sure that the gold cog lines up with the gold cog inside the machine there. Pop the silver bit across, and then wrap around the black section, clip it down, and it's safe and ready to cut. Next, I want to share with you how to pop in the pen that came in the box so that you can write with projects and draw on your machine. So you're going to take the lid off of your pen, put the lid to the side, and this is going to go in the accessory port, which says A for accessory. So again, open that up, you'll find a little arrow on your pen there. Pop it in and press down until the arrow disappears. And then you're going to close up the port and your pen is ready to go. I hope this video helped you set up your Cricut Maker machine. Happy crafting!